sing in the background.
Neath the elms.
Neath the elms.
I don't know what these are. These aren't elms, though.
Campus.
It's a little Langston action.
Glorious.
What are you trying to do to me?
Nothing. That's dark.
There's Darce. Boo. Boo.
You know what? You can sleep in the Weiss Lounge there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Already done. There's a new parking lot over there.
Yeah.
That kind of freaks me out a little bit.
Yeah.
See if I can do a little zoomology on that guy.
The maintenance van is there.
Maintenance van. Yeah.
There's Big Sexy.
A lot of similarities here. Commons is different.
The outside's the same.
Some Greek houses. Nobody knows what that's about. It's the Miller house, still being weird. Nobody knows what it's about.
The marketing department is there now.
Oh. There's Andrew Taylor. He looked but didn't know it was me, probably.
Probably.
Hey, maintenance van's right, gonna smack me in the lips. Yep.
Okay. Yeah, the marketing department.
We're gonna stop at admissions, I think.
Okay.
To see Vandervent.
Okay.
So that's what we're gonna do next.
Okay.